Hello and welcome to basic setup tutorial for ASUS TUF-AX4200. Let's begin! A little note, this won't be a very in-depth tutorial because I will be preparing that tutorial for a moment, but in this tutorial I will just show you how to get your router to work. First of all, we want to have two things from the box, of course not counting the router itself, and this is the power plug and the Ethernet cable that can be found inside the box. Now I'm going to use slightly different one that is longer and, very important, that is already connected to my internet. Usually you want to just plug it into your internet provider, since this is typically what you want to do. And yeah, it's just you want to connect it to modem from one side, and from the other you will connect to the router. But how we can do that? Well, first we can start by simply plugging in the plug into electricity. So I don't think you guys heard that, but now I want to take my power cable, which is right here, and I will just rotate the router slightly so you guys can see better. Here are a couple of things we have to do first, and you will notice that the power socket is right next to the power button itself. So I will just plug it in, and you will notice that now we can technically click the button and it will activate our router. Well, almost, we have to click it a little better. And as you can see, the LEDs are flashing, but we still have no internet connection. So now I will take my cable I have prepared, which is right here, and we don't want to plug it into LAN because the LAN is the output basically. Through here you want to output your internet, so you want to connect here your PC or whatever. Instead, now we want to connect to WAN or just WAN. I don't know how you can pronounce it, but you don't want to connect to that, you want to connect to this one. So let's simply connect it, just like that. Though it is a bit tricky, but after we heard a little click, everything should be working now. Now, how can we check if everything went alright? Well, it's really easy. Basically, you want to take some sort of mobile device, maybe a phone, maybe a laptop, it doesn't really matter, and on it you want to expand your control center and head into the Wi-Fi settings, and you'll notice we have now ASUS 64, which is a base network that is automatically created once we plug that bad boy inside. And now we can just connect to it, and we should be connecting. But you will notice that this is insecure, and this is because it doesn't really have any kind of password or whatever. We can click it, and as you can see, we don't even have any encryption setup, which is very bad. But if you want to learn about how we can actually set it up later, I will do a video on specifically that topic. Now, this is how you can connect to the mobile, and then you want to probably install the application, which we can find on the Play Store. So we want to wait for a moment, which is really odd because it's loading pretty slowly, which is pretty interesting because I was pretty sure that I did have internet access. Maybe let's switch from our newly created network to something else, just for a moment. Let's try that again. And that was pretty weird. But anyway, on the mobile itself, you want to go into... what am I typing in? We want to head into Play Store and simply type in ASUS router. And as you can see here, we have the official ASUS Tech application, which is something we want to download. Though we'll notice that if we would scroll down, we technically have other devices, but we want to install this application. Now, I'm not going to really head into that application just yet, because I have a separate video on that, but every single tutorial from now on should also apply to both mobile and PC version. And exactly about how you can connect to your PC, well, you can only do that via the Ethernet cable. So you want to take another cable. As a reminder, Ethernet cable is something like this. So you want to plug it into your router from one side, and from the other you want to plug it into your computer. And from there, you should be able to head into the site that is called http router.asus.com, and this should enable the configuration process for the router, but only after you have connected it to your Ethernet port. But technically speaking, for the basic setup, that's all. This is actually like the intro video, and I will refer to that video in later videos, just so you guys can return to it if you need to. But that's basically it. For more advanced tutorials, you can just search them up for our channels. For example, I will make sure to enable how to add a password to your Wi-Fi, how to change its name, how to add encryption, and all of that important information. Anyway, that's all for the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.